first step to mounting your phone on such a tripod is having your phone mount, which is quite flexible and can fit any phone. This is the shoe to the tripod. For you to attach your smartphone to a tripod, what you need is to remove this shoe from the tripod. It usually comes attached. You just twist and pull. So you want to use your smartphone on a tripod. This is the first step. You just twist and remove this shoe and attach it to your phone mount. This goes in here. There are various ways of using this tripod. You can use it in landscape as seen. You can also use this tripod in portrait mode by going to this screw at the back, simply unscrewing it and letting this fall to the side like that, and then you screw it back on. Okay. This makes it easier when you're doing that video call, especially when you're trying to stay connected during this quarantine season and you want to be virtually connected with your friends or family, or even that Zoom meeting that you want to do with your boss or your colleague. You can use this. A tripod can be used to take quite a number of shots that can make your set really creative and whatever you're shooting. So you just unscrew this handle and you can pan up and down. And if you want to get a right to left, you just unlock this, and now you can get that right to left movement. And whenever you're not using any of those, you just need to screw them so that it doesn't have any sudden movements and your phone might fall down, or your camera, because this is also compatible with the camera. When you want to get the maximum height for this tripod, you just simply do that. You can further increase your tripod size by turning this